Hey you guys, I'm Chetna Makan and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making something healthy, comforting, so delicious, a spinach garlicky dal. And for this recipe I will be using my Thermomix. I have got TM6 and it makes everything so much simpler, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Going to start with one onion. So because I'm using the Thermomix, I'm just going to peel it and chop it in chunks. Also got a couple of really chunky garlic cloves. And I'm going to use half a chili. So just chop it in chunks. So I've turned the Thermomix on and just going to add a little bit of oil, a tablespoon. You can use ghee, you can use sunflower oil. Today I'm using olive oil. Just going to add in the chopped up vegetables. Also going to throw in a teaspoon of cumin seeds to this. And now going to chop it first. So just going to blitz it for 5 seconds at 5 speed. And that is how easy and quick it is. So in 5 seconds, I've got chopped up vegetables right here. So simple. Just gonna scrape it down with this spatula, which is very helpful. It's quite sharp, the smell of the onions. And now I need to saute it before I add anything else to this. And that's quite simple too. I'm just going to do that for 5 minutes on this. And I'm going to increase the temperature. So going to make it nice and hot. And the speed could just be stirring. And that 5 minutes is going to be enough time to clear this up and get the next round of ingredients ready. So the timer has gone off and I can already smell, oh, look at that. So just gonna, oh, fantastic. So that is looking lovely. It's got a little bit of color, smells incredible. And to this I'm going to add the spices first. So a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I've already added chili. In case you don't use red chili, this is the time to add chili powder. In goes a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of salt, and also 300 grams of red lentils will go in, and then a tin of coconut milk, 400 ml. I like to use full fat coconut milk, but you could use either. And then I need to tell you how much water. So I'm going to get the weighing scale up, and that is really fantastic because this machine has the scales as well. And I will tell you exactly how much water I'm adding. So that's 300 grams of lentils. So I'm going to add 400 ml of boiling water. That's it. So water goes in, and now I'm going to get back to the cooking. Just going to put the lid back on, and I'm going to get rid of this measuring cup and replace it with a simmering basket. Now the reason for using this is that it's got kind of space for the steam to come out, but at the same time it will stop it from splashing all over. So once I put that on, it will help it simmer but not splash. So I'm going to cook this now for 25 minutes. I'm going to cook this for just 10 minutes at 100°C and just stirring it through. So just gonna check in to see how it's looking. Oh my god, that is beautifully cooked. Look at that. Now, after cooking this for 10 minutes, I am going to add the last thing that goes into this recipe. And that is 100 grams of fresh spinach leaves. And I'm actually just going to quickly rinse this before I add it in. So next I'm going to add this washed up 100 grams of fresh spinach leaves into the lentils, and also going to add 100 ml of boiling water. Then I'm going to cover and cook this for just literally 5 minutes, because the lentils are already cooked, and that is the beauty. The lentils are already cooked, and I just need to wilt down the spinach. So I'm just going to do it for 5 more minutes. Before I got the Thermomix, the best thing I did was book a demo with the Thermomix team, and they are a lovely bunch of people, and you can book a demo online, which is great because they can inform you the different functions, how the machine works. You can see it working in the demo, and then you can make an informed decision. So if you want to do that, I will leave the link in the description below. Okay, so here it is, and you can see for yourself how beautiful this looks. Just the right amount for the bowl as well. That's fantastic. And that is it, the beautiful spinach garlicky dal. And of course, if you haven't got a Thermomix, you can make this in a pan, in a kadhai, and it is going to be really, really delicious. I please recommend that you try it at home, whether using a Thermomix or not. Wow, that is stunning. That is proper wholesome comfort food. And it's vegan. Yay! Accidental vegan, but still vegan. I hope you will enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for another new recipe. Wow, this is so delicious.